Hi friends, today I'm going to get the topic kindness. So yes, I am Dr. Anchal C. Kakkar here to bring in and discuss about the topic kindness and gratitude. What is kindness? Okay, first let me tell you friends, I am not a very kind person, but I believe in kindness. I want to follow that and I definitely want to lead a positive life. So because I believe kindness, making one small deed makes a big difference in your life. So yes, let's start with kindness. What really matters, your intentions really matter, I always say. So one act of kindness we should always remember makes a big difference in our life. It has made a big difference in my life because the world revolves around kindness. We all know when we do nice deeds, there's a hormone which is released that's called oxytocin, which is released in our body. It helps to drop the sugar levels, it controls our blood pressure, it reduces the risk of heart attacks, and it improves our vitality, which leads to longer life and anti-aging. So yes, kindness says it all. I see people coming online and joining in. So yes, I see more and more people coming online and joining in. Hi Megha. Kindness, guys, is always dependent on only one person. It can bring change in the whole world, whole nation, only when you follow. So I always say that if you are kind to others, one act of kindness you do with others, automatically someone will lead a better life and will feel the same way, the way you have made that person feel. So yes, and definitely will follow the same way. So yes, if you are kind, you can bring the change in the society and the whole nation, and everybody will follow you. Root of all the problems is what? Discouragement, which is the highest form of selfishness. Always discouraging ourselves that we cannot do this, we cannot have this, we cannot do this, and always saying negative things about yourselves and envying the lies of those people we don't even know. We don't even know who they are. Still we envy them, right? So this is the major problem which we all face. So that's my question. Why do we have to feel, weak? And if we feel weak, it's okay to feel weak. It's okay to have a bad day. That's not a problem. It's totally fine to have a bad day and feel weak, because we all have bad days. But one word in our life, if somebody is kind to us, can make our day really good. Trust me, really good. Because I always say perfect strangers can make your mood happy or sad. I was once I'll tell you a story. I'll share a story with you. I was once there outside my home only. I was cleaning and there was a person crossing by and he just say hi, you look really good today. It was just a small act of kindness, appreciation, whatever you call, right? So that one word of appreciation, that one word of kindness made my day. I was not in a very good mood though. So yes, that one word of appreciation made my day. So I always say that you need to be very kind, because it gives you calmness, it calms your nerves, it heals all your wounds. And if you're kind to yourself, because yes, charity begins at home, first be kind to yourself and then be kind to others. Be empathetic, be lovable, be caring, honest. Have the sense of honesty in you. Feel that care for others, which is very, very important. Because you don't know what the other person is going through. You don't know, what that other person is leading a life. What kind of what condition is he in that time. So you don't know at all. So remember that one word or one deed of kindness can make anybody's day and can break anybody's day. So I always say, be kind to others. That's very important. Yes. I just heard this quote somewhere before I was starting. So I was just scrolling and I saw this quote that, Buddha said that. So people are very bad. People are very bad. But it's always good to be kind to others, because there is so much difficulty in this world. There's so much difficulty. Life is full of difficulties. All we need is kindness. So remember that, you need to be transparent. Don't stress yourself. Being negative and not having the kind, maybe, all of you will not feel the same way today. But honestly, I'm sure one person out of everybody will follow this way. So always say, whenever with your friends and family, embed that seed of kindness in them. When you do that, you will see a drastic change. You will see a drastic change. Don't gossip. Don't say bad things about them. Embed the seed of kindness. How can you embed that seed of kindness? Being kind to them. When you're kind to them, they will follow the same way. So embed that seed of kindness around your people. And this is how it will change the society, it will change the nation, it will change the world. We all are one, we are valuable, we all make mistakes, but dwelling onto our mistakes, no, we all have to keep learning all the time. We realize that, this is an art of humility, I would say, that we realize we keep learning every day, we keep learning new things. So yes, don't feel that, you are not good enough. When you wake up in the morning, go ahead in front of the mirror and say, I am enough. I am always enough for myself. So yes, please say this to yourself every day before you start your day. See how it feels and see how it goes. I see people coming online. So yes, we all are valuable, as I just discussed. Sometimes what happens, we are not honest to ourselves. When we are not honest to ourselves, we are smiling, we are saying yes, but we have that state of agony and we mean no. So say no. Why do you need to say yes? No, don't say yes. If you don't feel like saying yes, just say no. Others will learn how to listen to that no. So say no, learn to say no. It's very important. It's with me also, it's with everybody. We tend to say yes to everything, even if we're not feeling nice about it. Why? Just say no. Be transparent. Be honest. If somebody asks you, how was your day? It's okay to be honest. It's okay to have a bad day. That's fine. Tell them that your day wasn't good. It's the time for us to be honest, and honest with ourselves first, because kindness can only be there when we are honest, when there's humility, when there's compassion, when there's empathy towards others. So yes, there are 7 billion people in this world, guys. So remember that. If you cannot find one kind person, if you cannot find one, be one. It's a beautiful quote, and I really believe that. If you cannot find one kind person, be one. Maybe, if you are the one, the other person will look at you and definitely change himself. The small act of kindness can bring a lot of change in anybody's life, Like, I'm sure you can't be the prettiest of all, you can't be the most popular, you can't be the most funniest. But if you're kind, you can be the best. You can be the best. Remember that. Appreciate that one friend of yours who deals with you in a kind way. Appreciate that one friend of yours. It's very important. Don't just cross out your weaknesses. Accept your weaknesses gracefully. That's fine. That's totally fine. Life is difficult. It's okay. Offer a tissue to someone who's crying. It's very important. Don't care about, likes on Instagram, Facebook. Care about bringing that smile on someone's face. Care about lifting that person's spirit high. Don't care about having Gucci shoes. Focus on providing a better life to a poor person by what they need. Do that. These are very small acts of kindness. It's very important if we do that. See, again, I'm telling you, I'm not the most kind person, but I follow this because I believe this. And when you start believing it, you start manifesting it. So yes, focus on not reducing just weight. Focus on having a healthy skin and having a healthy heart, which is very important. Remember, external beauty will live internally. So yes, these small things, if we do, We can always, we can always just be kind to others. We can bring a change in. We can, you can be the reason of bringing a change in the world. There's a lot of happening in this world, and we are forgetting that it's so important to be kind to others, having the gratitude and appreciating people. That's very important, We've forgotten this, and I'm sure whatever's been happened up till now, the virus, everything, it's made us together, it made us one, realizing that, we need to follow this. We need to be there with others. A friend of mine shared a beautiful quote with me. One kind word, one pat on the back, one sentence of encouragement, and one smile can change someone's life. Live to inspire. These quotes, when you start believing them, you start doing them, you will see a very drastic change, because as I say, hormone releases in your body, which makes you live longer. It helps you in anti-aging, and I'm sure all the women want that, right? So yes, do that, believe that. Don't gossip. Don't unnecessarily say bad things to others. Please don't. Because one word of your kindness as a stranger can change somebody's life and can break that person's day and make that person's day. So please make somebody's day. Be there for someone. Be kind and appreciate. Thank you so much for being there with me today. And yes, I really wish, even one person follows this and sees a drastic change in their life. Thank you.